Hey, my name is Ian Mayer-Marszalek, and I'm the Global Hair Upscaling Manager for Schwarzkopf Professional. We're moving on to the IGORA portfolio of Lighteners. As we said, we've got IGORA VARIO BLOND Super Plus and IGORA VARIO BLOND Plus. What's the difference? Did you know that years ago, before Blonde Me even was invented, the only lightener that we had in the entire Schwarzkopf Professional portfolio was IGORA VARIO BLOND Plus. Now, here's why this little OG is a good tried and true lightener to always have in your assortment. Because it gives you up to 7 levels of lift. You can mix it with our 3% 10 volume, 6% 20 volume, 9% 30 volume. Only use the 3% or 6% on scalp, leaving the 9% or 30 volume for off-scalp applications only. When would I use IGORA VARIO BLOND Plus? Have you ever heard of something called a soap cap or a bleach wash, where essentially you mix your lightener with some shampoo or with some water just to kind of budge or shift out some old buildup of color? IGORA VARIO BLOND Plus is an easy breezy choice for that because it's controllable. It's not giving you significant quick lift, but it's also, not gonna not do anything. It definitely comes to the party. And I'm telling you what, before we had any other lightener in the assortment, IGORA VARIO BLOND Plus was used for hand painting, foil work, correction work. We used it for everything because it was the only thing we had. It also has the bonding technology that IGORA VARIO BLOND lighteners offer, which is the fiber bond technology, and the anti-yellow technology. The anti-yellow technology, both in IGORA VARIO BLOND Super Plus and IGORA VARIO BLOND Plus, is a combination of persulfates. Persulfates in lighteners are what help to break down or degrade the warmth that you're seeing as you lift from level to level. By the time you get to like 8 or 9, you're probably seeing yellow to pale yellow, and maybe you are going for like that super clear ultralight blonde. Well, I need to cut through all of that yellow. And what does that are the persulfates in the lightener. IGORA VARIO BLOND Super Plus is a white powder that's really, really fine, almost like the consistency of like a powdered sugar. It gives us up to 8 levels of lift. It can be used on scalp and off scalp. The developer choices that you would use with IGORA VARIO BLOND Super Plus on scalp would be our 3% 10 volume, our 6% 20 volume. If you're going to use IGORA VARIO BLOND Super Plus for anything off scalp, you could use the 3% 10 volume, 6% 20 volume, 9% 30 volume would be the highest choice of IGORA Royal Oil Developer that you use with the IGORA VARIO BLOND Super Plus. We are also recommending that you not use the IGORA Royal Oil Developer 12% 40 volume with either VARIO BLOND Super Plus or VARIO BLOND Plus. We need different lighteners in our portfolio to make sure that we're giving you the right tools to hit the mark for all of these very niche and specific application methods and techniques. IGORA VARIO BLOND Plus is the little black dress of lighteners. You can literally use it for anything and take it anywhere. Our IGORA VARIO BLOND Super Plus has about 1 more level of lift with a different consistency altogether that is beautiful for saturating and getting amazing lift on slicing or woven foil work. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for our next video.